Back to school season is right around the corner. According to the National Retail Federation, families in the US plan to spend $849 on average to prepare their children for back to school. That number is even higher for college students. The total expected spending is in the billions, as you can see, and the top categories are electronics, clothing, shoes, and apartment or dorm furnishings. Make sure you don't lose out on sales this back to school season by adding new Printful products to your online store. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Spiral notebooks. Jot notes down in a jiffy with the Spiral notebook. It comes with 140 dotted pages, perfect for anything from bulleted lists to drawings to doodles. This custom print-on-demand product measures 5.5 by 8.5 inches and comes with a soft cover. Sourced from the United States, Printful only prints and puts notebooks together as they are ordered. This results in less product waste. Next up, we have stickers. Encourage students to express themselves with stickers. These Kiss Cut stickers can be cut into any shape, which makes them a very unique addition to your online store. The great thing about Printful stickers is that there is no order minimum. Your customers can order as many or as little as they'd like. Backpacks. With Printful, you can offer your customers both all-over print and embroidered backpacks. Over the years, school bags have become quite the fashion statement, and you can really have fun with creating custom options to add to your store. Hats. Practical and fashionable, choose from a wide variety of baseball caps, bucket hats, beanies, and more. Click the link in the description to view a full list of back-to-school products, where you'll notice hats in both child and youth sizes. Duffle bags. School isn't restricted to the classroom. Think before and after school programs, sports teams, and so on. These custom print-on-demand duffel bags are perfect for gym class, practice, and game day. Children's clothing. Clearly, clothing is a huge ticket item when it comes to back-to-school shopping. Increase your sales with fresh new clothing for younger students. This can include t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, and more. Clothing for youth and young adults. Think hoodies, joggers, all-over print leggings, and so on. Basically, anything that's comfortable and can transition easily from the classroom to study hall to the cafeteria. Phone cases and laptop sleeves. Devices like phones and laptops are incredibly useful, albeit incredibly expensive tools that kids can use at school. Give your customers stylish and custom options when it comes to protecting their favorite devices. Face masks. Depending on where your customers live, students may be required to wear a face mask to school. Printful offers several face mask options, including a 3-pack, a Champion-branded 5-pack, as well as all-over print face masks. Face masks are a great add-on or upsell. That's it for our back-to-school product list. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Printful videos, and check out the description for a special discount code to save 20% on all personal back-to-school item purchases from the Printful catalog.